Happy Valentine's Day! Have you ever wondered how to add fruits or vegetables to an untraditional treat? Well, we're going to show you how to do that today with a Valentine's themed fondue recipe.
The original recipe called for margarine here, but we substituted unsweetened applesauce to keep the sugar and fats down.
Now we will steam the carrots to get them nice and soft for pureeing. You can use a blender or food processor to puree the carrots to a smooth texture.
Next, do the same process with sliced avocados. Puree until smooth.
Now you're going to add the carrot and avocado purees to the pan with the unsweetened applesauce. Keep your pan at a low to medium heat and adjust if needed.
Next, you're going to add the dry ingredients, which are the unsweetened cocoa powder, powdered sugar, or confectioner's sugar. And right here, we cut the original amount of sugar in half for this recipe, but you can adjust it to your desired taste. Next, add in the vanilla extract.
And this recipe is really great for getting your family involved. Family members can help stir or measure the ingredients. Now you're going to continue to combine the ingredients by slowly stirring until there are no lumps.
At this point, you can add in some olive oil or canola oil to reach the consistency you prefer.
When you're ready to serve, you can use sliced fruit or fresh berries or pretzels to enjoy.
Now here's our finished product. And if you make this at home, don't forget to take a photo and tag us on Facebook. Let's try it!